All right, are we ready? Good. Name your document before we do anything. We had issues second hour, so let's give it a name. File, save as the first time. We're going to call it practice. Make sure it saves to your desktop. Practice.
And I did save to my.
And then hit save.
How do you change where do I just press save as again?
No. Then later, when we type and then we hit save and we want to save it again, then we can just hit the save button because we already named it. It'll save it on top of the old stuff. Where did it go?
Documents.
Okay, just so you remember where it is. Because if we were going to turn it in and then you go to Schoology to turn it in, you just need to know where to look for it, right?
Can I just drag it from this finder thing?
Try it. All right, zoom in so that you only see one page. Did you have questions, Shauna?
Yeah, it's not even loading.
Wow.
It's open, but
You might need to shut your computer down because we did this in second hour, and if Earl didn't log out properly, it could be messing you up.
Today?
yeah, I can't click on the Apple.
Just hold the button down till it shuts off.
Oh,
All right, Jana will catch up with us. I know it. All right, are we ready? In cell A1, type
Oh, we ain't done yet. I gotta get my stuff. Stuff.
activity, practice. Cell A2, type WAO High School class. Okay, that's good. Class of 2020. Then I want you to go down to cell A5 and type 6th hour. And then in cell A7, I want you to type your name. Actually, no, I lied. Type last name, tab over first name. Tab over ID number and birthday. And then go down to cell A9 and type your last name.
What?
Then your first name, and then for ID number, I want you to start with 1001.
1001.
And then type your birthday.
Can I do 1002?
No, because I said so. You'll see why in a minute. And then in cell A10, type,
Birthday?
yes, just the month and the day.
Is that birthday or our birthday?
Your birthday, because you're typing you.
My ID number isn't.
We're going to make it that. We're giving y'all new numbers. Okay, then I want you to type my information, which is on the board. And then you're going to type the rest of your classmates in this room's information. You can either ask them their birthday or make it up. I don't really care. When's your birthday is, Mahi?
October 5th.
Ooh, my brother's birthday.
What's your ID number?
He put my name wrong.
Did I?
It's a Z.
Sorry.
What? Oh, it's January 1st.
Dylan, I have the same number and day. November.
Oh, All right, keep going. But do not type the ID numbers. I want you to have the first two typed and then no more. I'll tell you why in a minute.
Wait, how come we can't do 1002?
I'll tell you in a minute. You can do, I want you to do 1001 and 1002 and then stop.
How come when I type October 5 it doesn't like you like it doesn't
I'll tell you,
just
we'll deal with that in a minute. Just go keep typing.
27 is just
Oh, you're not supposed to do something easy and everything else.
Playing games, you said?
When's your birthday?
You said you're playing games?
What's your birthday?
This is September, it's not November 8th.
No, you never did.
Yes, I did.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
No.
Told you on the bus on Monday, on my birthday.
No, one day.
On the one day of my birthday. I said, today's my birthday. And you asked, what day is it today? I said, November 8th.
I remember that.
Do you spell your name I-S-A-I?
There's two A's.
Yeah. Why you guys keep going? You know, she only did two.
Ricky, when's your
She
birthday?
told us
May 7th.
I said do all of the people, just not the ID numbers.
What?
Yes.
You make like no sense then.
I-
That was like no sense in the beginning.
All right. It will make sense. You'll see.
27th of April.
Dylan, yours is September 8th, right?
How come?
Jared, not the ID number.
Enrique, how do you spell your name?
But she said not to do the ID numbers.
Yeah, not the real one.
Jana, when's your birthday?
Mine?
No, not to do that.
January
So
1st.
why did you want
One day after mine?
That's
Huh.
what she said to do. And then she said not to do any of them more.
Just not the ID numbers, is what I said.
Boom.
the real ones or
Enrique,
just
what's
not
your
at all?
birthday?
Not at all. Isaiah's birthday is November
Eight.
When's yours?
8th.
May 7th.
When's Dylan?
September 8th.
When's yours, Ricky?
May 7th.
Wait, that means you and Dylan are like.
Mike, what's your birthday?
October 5th.
Jared, how about you?
27th of April. Why is it when I type in September 8th?
Do we put
That's-
Coral too?
Sure.
I don't know her birthday now.
March 7th,
November 8th. See, when I do it, it doesn't do it.
Really, March 19th?
Why don't you just do the same birthday as my cousin and my brother?
And my mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect.
ASHFORD.
It's honestly not that hard, Ash.
Ford. When's yours, Enrique?
February 20th.
Ooh, good one too.
What?
You know Cole's birthday?
March 19th.
When's your birthday,
Rico.
Ricky, when's your
How
birthday?
you spell your
Here we go. Here's all your birthdays.
Q-U-A.
Oh, you were.
Oh, see,
Hey,
I put
John,
it
when's your
either.
birthday?
January 1st.
Dang.
When's your birthday?
Shoot.
February 20th.
You did those wrong.
Did I?
Yeah, it's last name
Yeah.
first.
You only did it right on yours.
Fool.
We gotta-
This is
We
the last
gotta put
one.
Miss Murray's in there too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Oh no, B-E.
My birthday is all
We
twos
gotta
and
get
zeros,
Coral
and my
insurance.
graduation day is supposed to be.
Hmm?
My birthday is all twos and zeros, and my graduation year is all twos and zeros. 20th, 2000.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cool.
Same
So
with
is
Carter.
not how you spell my name. No, not.
Carter Maresca.
Yeah. There used to be another girl who
When
went to
you're
school with us,
born,
but she moved.
actually,
She
they're
was same with her.
What was her name?
Morgan Holiday.
Oh, I remember her.
Gonzalez.
I seen her at the Warren Fair.
Yeah,
She remembered me. I have her on Instagram. What?
I don't think she remembers.
I spelled
Her on
Gonzalez.
Instagram.
G-O-N.
Oh, she go
G-O-N.
to Kirk Center.
Z-A-L.
L.
Easy. Easy.
That is easy. At first,
Yeah, she said hi to me at the fair.
who did?
Cool.
On holiday.
Who's that?
Some girl used to come here like Back in elementary.
Yeah, it was before you came here.
Probably.
All right, are we done typing?
You're out of kindergarten.
Do I need coral?
Yes. Okay. Now are we done?
I guess highlight and click drag the numbers.
That is the first thing. Yes. I want to take the easy way of filling in the numbers. How do we do that, Enrique? Highlight the first two. That's why I had you just type 2. And drag it down. I want you to go ahead and drag it down to, say, row 30.
We're gonna have to put the other classes.
I'll tell you in a second.
Don't give her. So you should be like 10, 22, right? Yeah.
Correct. Okay, now I want you to skip 3 rows and be in row 21, cell A, A21. And I do want you to put 3 more of your classmates in there,
I
just
think I'm missing a
or make
class.
up their name.
Do I have to put you in there then too?
Yes.
Does it have to be our
You can put anybody, it doesn't matter. Oh, I'm gonna put Ruby.
Name this.
I only put the ones I remember.
If you and you could just make up a birthday, guys. It doesn't have to be accurate.
Let's We'll say you live like in October.
Alexander does the same.
You were born on 27.
What's her last name? Oh. And then Carter.
And
Or Ruth's.
Carter, that's a good one. Marusta Carter. Okay.
Let's put in everyone.
No, we're not putting in everything. That'd take too long. We gotta learn some stuff. So you're ready for your assignment on Monday because I'm not gonna be here Monday.
Woohoo.
Just kidding.
Now your assignment just got 4 times as long because somebody else said that to me second hour. So I doubled the length of your assignment. Now I'm gonna quadruple it.
Really, really.
Wait, who was it?
Go back to Mexico.
Hey, that's not very nice.
That's what his thing said. Look at it.
Mm.
Go to Reebok.
I will.
Okay, here we go. We want to do some stuff to our spreadsheet. Ricky, are you listening? Excellent. We want to click in cell A1 and we want to make it bigger and a different font. Make it to size 20.
Huh?
Click in cell A1.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, hey, do I have to? Where do I make my switch?
So if your
What does it say?
bars are not showing up here, your toolbars, remember go to view and then turn them on.
What size?
20.
Does the font matter?
Yes, let's change it. Pick a font type, Enrique.
Whitney.
Oh, no, I don't think that'll work. Pick something else.
I don't know how to say that.
What to start with?
Lose.
Oh, I know I've never shown. What's that called?
Lucida Grande, right here. That's the one you're going for.
That looks the same.
Lucida, yeah, it looks pretty similar.
what? What do you
Let's, no, I don't want that one. Different one. Something that's a little funky. Handwriting Dakota. Handwriting Dakota. Now, I want to bold it. Do you think our shortcut key will work? What is our shortcut key? If we want to highlight something, instead of using the button up top, what can we use on our keyboard to highlight super fast?
Command A.
So close. Command B. Command B for bold. Turn it on, turn it off.
Bold, I think you meant to highlight everything.
Oh, that would be Command A. No, bold cell A1.
I don't see the code on the format or in the
Handwriting Dakota. Look under the H.
He actually doesn't
I
have
don't
it.
have that either.
Yeah, I don't have it either.
What?
Oh, we're.
Handwriting.
Well, I have
It's
it.
alphabetized.
But we're not that cool, dude.
Welcome to Dakota. This is North Dakota. I will be a taxi driver.
All right, pick a different one then.
Yeah, they actually don't have it. I do though.
It might be under
Fancy.
font collection.
Is that it?
Welcome to North Dakota. I want to choose Leo and Anne.
No, bro.
Let's do her colon.
That's what I put.
All right, moving on. Bold, cell A1, using your shortcut feature. All right, now for the super fun part. Are you ready? Dylan, are you ready? All right, Dylan's ready for the super fun part. We are going to, now we need to alphabetize this list. Okay, do we want to retype it and put it in alphabetical order?
Or A to Z at the top.
No, we do not. So, we do not want to alphabetize all of your classmates, just your class, our class right now.
Highlight.
So we need to highlight the selection that we want alphabetized. And then, Enrique already noticed, there's an easy button up here. Or you can go up here to data, sort. And then we want to sort by last name. Right, that's normally how you have a list, a class list. So are we going to go ascending or descending? You're right, because that's going to go A to Z. Very good. So leave it ascending and then hit OK. And then watch the magic happen. It changed. Also, notice, did your birthdays move as they should have?
Yeah.
Yes. It kept the stuff with the person as long as you highlighted everything. Did it work?
Yeah.
Fabulous. Now, the other class, pretend like this is everybody, even though we know it's not. Highlight the other class. This time I wanted to go descending. Click the other one and then hit OK. And then it goes opposite. It goes backwards in the alphabet. Okay, that's one thing you're going to do on Monday. Another thing you're going to do, Ricky, are you good? Okay.
Are we actually gonna put our rest of the classmates?
No, we're not going to tape them all.
No, I didn't care.
We want column C to, boys, pay attention. We want column C to automatically resize itself. We don't want to click and drag because we might have a bajillion columns and that would take too long. We want it to do it for us. Isaiah, any idea how to do it?
Click on the C.
Click on the C. Let's try it. Did that work?
Now you probably gotta do something.
Yes, you probably got to do something. Hover over between the C and the D and get your double-headed cursor, double arrow cursor. And then double click.
What did we just do?
Resized column C. Hover between C and D and double click. Did your column C get skinnier, Isaiah? Then you did it correctly. Now, in cell C7, instead of saying ID number, I want you to type the word identification. So click in cell C7. Number, identification number.
Yeah, it won't show up.
The word number. Identification number.
So I'll put like, okay, number.
You're going to type out the word number.
That's not gonna fit. You ready?
I know. What happened?
Let's try.
So we resized it for what we had before, but now we added something bigger that doesn't fit. So how do we resize it again?
Drag
Do
it.
the same thing.
You could drag it, but we don't want to. Do the same thing, right, Shauna? Click on
Whoa.
between the C and the D and double click, and it fits the information
So it
for
shows as much as it needs to show everything.
correct, but not anymore. All right, center, column C.
That's what we remembered before.
Column C.
Center, column C.
Format, alignment, spacing, center.
So I'm going to have my formatting
Oh yeah.
palette show up because we've got our easy buttons over here. So highlight column C, center it. Okay. Now, what do your birthdays look like? Do they look like mine or something different?
I have the photo.
They look all like yours.
Okay. We want, is this how we well, you probably don't, but I don't normally read birthdays like this, 19 March.
19th of March.
I say March 19th. So we want to change it, but we don't want to type it all over again, do we?
No.
No, because we're lazy and we want to be efficient. So let's change it. Click on cell column D,
D.
and then we're going to go up here to
Data.
data. Actually, I think it's under format. I lied. Format, cell,
Cells.
and then here is where we can do a bunch of different stuff. Let's go to date right there.
Date.
So,
Oh, it tells you how you want it.
so format, cell, date. Scroll down.
01.
Pick the format that you like.
March 01.
We did not put the years in for our people. So I am going to choose.
March 01.
I don't like that dash in there though. I wonder if. I don't like that dash. I'm going to pick this one with the year, even though we don't have the year.
What's it gonna do?
Oh, it's giving me a year. Well, that's not good.
Born 2017.
I don't know. That's crazy.
Yeah, put 01.
I don't like that one.
Whoa.
I'm going to go with this
I
one.
put 01 and it said March 17th, September 7th. Now I messed it all up. Yours are messed up too. They're all 17.
Yes. Oh, I know why. Because it's going with the month and the year. That's not what we
Oh,
want.
I thought that was
Go-
going with the.
I thought that was the day also. So let's go back. Format cell. Oh, so this is probably the one that says M-01. No, that's going to be the year also.
MAR 01.
I just
Do
Hmm.
we
clicked
have,
on
do we have the year in it?
You could, yeah, but I was trying to go
I
with
clicked on the first one, it's like 3/14.
that one. I want words though. I like words.
14 of March 2001. So at the very bottom.
Yeah, I don't like the date first. I like the month first. But I'm gonna go with Isaiah. I'm gonna go with the top one.
That's a good choice.
It's still wrong. Oh, I gotta highlight the whole column. Yeah, that's my problem. Formats the whole column. Date, top one, done. All right, not my favorite, but it'll do. Okay, now what else do I want you to know how to do? Okay, everything for the birthday column, I want it to be left aligned.
Alright,
So on the left side of the cell,
got it.
everything in D. Use your easy button, left aligned.
There, you did it good. Yeah.
Left or right?
No, that one. There you go. You're done.
Done.
Okay, now I want to underline our headings in row 7.
107?
Row 7.
Row 7 for which one?
So how can we do that?
Oh, she did row 7 for everything. She just highlighted it.
I did. And then what might we do?
But you
Make it bigger.
like, yeah.
Smaller.
No, we're trying to underline it.
You go to the table.
Exactly.
And
What's
then
that?
Command U.
Is that you? Yeah.
Command U, let's try it. Yes, that worked. You could also go over here, probably. Somewhere.
There's a you right there.
Where?
Up.
Oh, right there. Yes. Good job. Good eye.
Under there.
Okay. Very good. Now I want to. Let's get rid of the ID numbers in row 18, 19, 20, because we don't have students there. And then we want to start our list for whoever is your first person in the other class to start with where we left off above.
Oh, there's not an easy way.
No, not for those first two. You have to just retype it. Then you could click and drag.
So, Miss Rick, did you have to delete those 3 numbers?
I did delete those 3 numbers. Yep. I just put my cursor in there and hit the space bar.
Wait, that doesn't make sense because all the top ones are all messed up, so you can't even tell. See?
Oh, that is a good point. Never mind. Undo that. You can still leave the 3 that are, there's nobody there, but we'll just leave the other ones. That's a good observation. Good job. Okay. I want to, in row B. Let's go to B20. And we are going to say the other section.
Okay, so above Matthew, the other section.
In cell B20 is where mine is. And this time, we're going to turn these 4 cells from A20 to D20 into one giant cell.
Oh, so you gotta erase the one.
So instead of 4 little ones, we're going to have one big one.
Highlight everything.
Highlight those 4 cells. Good. And then, if you look up here, this is a merge button.
Oh, where's that A?
Merge button right there. It's also up here in the format somewhere, but I'm not really sure where at the moment.
Okay.
Oh, over here. It's also over here. Merge cells.
Word cells, so just click the check mark.
Yes.
This section contains multiple.
Wait, click cancel.
Merging into one cell will keep the upper left-hand data.
Error.
Yes,
Error.
that's fine.
This is one for
Okay, so now those 4 cells turned into one giant cell across.
Yep.
Center that new giant cell.
Alright. Did it.
Should go up in the middle of all the rows.
And
Now, in cell A6, I want you to insert 2 blank rows. Insert row, insert row, 2 blank rows. And then right here with 6th hour, A5, instead of saying 6th hour, we're going to change it to my section.
Wait, so what do we need to do? Mine's not working.
So we're in A5. Ooh, this is a good time to, let's hit save.
Oh, yeah, I was just gonna say that. Jesus.
Let's hit save. Save this workbook.
Save.
All right. So we're changing 6th hour to my section.
Send it.
And then I want you to merge cells A5 through D5. Just like what you did a little bit below.
D5?
A5 to D5. Merge them. And then center. Enrique, don't you feel good? Don't you feel good?
It's laying higher.
Sorry. But you're not sick,
I don't think so.
just tired? Okay. All right,
How come highlights don't come on my computer, man?
click C5. We have one giant cell there. I want you to color that cell. Dylan, pick a color.
Oh, good. Center.
Blue. Go up here. You could go here or over here. Actually, for the background color, it's down here under borders and shading. If you're doing it up top, it's the bucket. Either way, it's the bucket. Bucket up top, bucket on the side. Dylan likes blue. We're going with blue.
Can I choose pink?
Yeah, where's the color at? Okay.
So you're changing the color of the cell, not the text. Do the same thing first row on 22, A22.
Go to borders.
This one we can make pink.
Yeah, bucket.
So I have one blue cell in row 5 and one pink cell in row 22.
Welcome to Herties. What can I get you?
Okay. Row 9. I want you to highlight the whole row 9 quickly.
How come my
Meaning, so remember when we want to select all of a column, we double click the letter. To select all of a row, we double click the number on the row. So row 9. And I want you to change the font color. So right here for font color or over here on the side.
Wait.
Sure, let's do that. Let's do white.
No, we won't see it.
You're right.
see it?
So then what would we need to do?
Just highlight it.
Back.
Just highlight it.
Change the
Just see.
background.
You could highlight and it'll be like a ghost. It'll show up.
Or change the
Maybe.
background.
Yes, that's where I was going. Change the background
Ah,
in row 9.
Change it to red.
Okay, red. But what happened this time when we highlighted the whole row 9? What did it do?
It went onto the page.
It did. It's like going row 9 forever and ever, amen. Not just what we want. So hit undo,
Undo.
and we want to only highlight the 4 across the top. First, the A1 or A9 to D9.
We'll change it to blue. Seems like a very nice
So we have white letters with a red background.
Blue.
Looks
How do you get the background?
fabulous. So you highlight the cells, and then it's either right here with the bucket or over here with the bucket.
Or if you have the little palette thing, the like thing with all the things, just go to like borders and shading.
Yep, he is totally right.
Thing with all the
Okay,
things.
let's sleep.
And there's another bucket.
You okay?
Let's sleep on the other side.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, you wanna hear a real cop?
Okay, I think that is all we need to cover for today. You guys were fabulous practicers. Yes, file, save, and then you'll be done. You can have the last 10 minutes-ish
Play
for
games.
what you would like to work on. Like, probably your iMovie would be a really good idea.
I like games.
Just turn it around.
Fantabulous. Good job, you guys.
I'm working on a video essay.
What, you need to still need video set.
I need a video of myself? Oh, Miss Murray, I changed my thing to how to make a taco, like taco spices.
Oh, okay.
Cause you know, making a taco, spices, you know,
Mm-hmm.
instead of buying some packets, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. I would love to know what to put in taco spices.
Yeah, paprika.
Mm. Really?
Yeah, the dude put paprika in there. It was a dude. Voice over used. Yep.